I could tell you stories if I had the chance. Can I have this dance for just an hour or two? Almost 6 o'clock. Getting ready to leave Reliegos. I'm bummed today. Yesterday I had so much joy as I left, and today I have like, let's get this damn thing over with. Such is life on the Camino. So I've walked out of Reliegos to this little park here. I was just depressed last night because everybody talks about the Camino, making those connections, those bonds, those friends, creating a little Camino tribe. And I started to before Burgos, but I took a rest day, so everybody else moved on. And then whenever I meet people, they like to walk 30K. I like to walk about 20K. And I stop a lot to take pictures, so no one really wants to stick with somebody who stops a lot. So then these other groups catch up with me, and they're all established. And it's fucking high school. I'm sorry. And it's not meant to be. It's just the dynamic. They create their tribes. I create tribes, but I get left behind because I'm different. I have a different approach to the Camino. I want to make this documentary. I want to make these videos. I want to stop and take pictures. And I walk a little slower because I don't want to kill myself. And other people walk better. It's pitch black out here except for distant lights and my light. I don't know where I am or where I'm going. I'm not too fond of that group of four. They're kind of smug and standoffish, but oh well. I'm in, I don't even know what this town's called. It's like Mansilla something or other. I don't know. I tell you, if it wasn't for the Wise Pilgrim Camino app, I'd be truly fucked out here. Hard to get this thing to focus on anything because of the mist. Kind of had a little panic attack coming across that bridge, but just listen to the nature. Why am I so tired? I've only been at it a couple hours. Haven't had any challenges. I just want to go back to sleep. Don't know what I'm working through today. Don't have the strength to sing. Don't have the strength to laugh. I'm just unbecoming something. Maybe so I can become something else. I don't know. Today I'm ready for the Camino to be over. This is physically very easy, except I've hurt my hip and I've hurt my leg and I've hurt my other ankle on the opposite side. But it's not demanding. I just want to get to Leon and rest for a day. But it's bleak. And it's unbearable. We've now moved on to the historic route, away from the highway. Might be some shops. I know there's potable water to fill my bottle. Now it's going a little better. I took 4 ibuprofen. Vitamin I, they call it. There it is. Adds 300 meters. So it'll take us past shops and services that are probably closed because that's kind of been how the game's been played so far. This is the historic route. I guess, I don't know. I had to sit and stretch. Not even a bench to sit on. About 10, after I rest at the next cafe, it'll be about 10 kilometers to Leon. I'm hoping I can make it. I round the damn corner and there's a bench. I could have walked. Nah, maybe not. The landscape suddenly got interesting. Kind of pretty. Quaint. And now back to this grind. The smell of hay and horse shit in the air. But look, we're starting to get scenery like what we see in Galicia. There's the bus stop. We could skip these last 11 kilometers and go on to León and save my hip, maybe, my leg. I'm not gonna do that. I've made certain compromises in here, but the one compromise I won't make is I will not take a bus or send my pack forward unless it's absolutely necessary, and it doesn't feel like it's absolutely necessary yet. Look, there's an owl. My wife, oh, there's a Howie kitty. My wife is doing a Zen garden in our backyard. Oh, what we could do with this place. So it promises to be a boring 8 kilometers. That's about what I have left, 8 kilometers. Promises to be kind of like that. Kind of reminds me of Milo. He's not quite as orange. Hello, Zen Master. Hi, buddy. Hello. Hola, Zen Master. The view of the mountains yesterday promised that this would come to an end soon in about 7 kilometers. I'm done with La Maceda. I need some music to get me through these next 7 kilometers. I don't even know what town this is. I just know we came in, the Camino goes right into town, then it comes off on this little trail. Look, we're above a highway. I don't know how far I have. I just got stupid thoughts in my head. Entering León now. My albergue is a 20-minute walk to the cathedral. Too many crazy thoughts. There is the cathedral. So it's kind of interesting. My albergue is back there, right on the edge. We have to walk through some city to get to the cathedral. About to enter the older part of León. This is the old wall. You remember that, Puerta Moneda. I have the map. I have the route to this restaurant where I'm meeting a friend locked in on my map, but I'm not going to have data after 4:20 today. A little nervous I won't find my way back. At the same time, I used to navigate cities by studying a map and then going out and working it from memory just 5 years ago. That is absolutely breathtaking. So the discs are like corn cobs. They've got different flower petals, and it's just laid here, huh? So eventually the wind will blow it away. So that is the Camino shell with, and there's the Camino staff. It's almost 8 o'clock, walking back to the albergue. That was nice to see friends. I feel a little more grounded, I guess. Glad I'm going to have a day off tomorrow. Oh, that's nice. Good morning. Found the laundromat. Clothes are drying now. Taking in a part of León that most people don't want to look at, because this is outside of the old city. But it's still kind of pretty down here. Look at this row of trees I'm walking through. If my palate misses America too much, that's just down the street from my albergue. And this is right across the street. I'm not missing American cuisine. So I got all my chores done. Got my medicine, got my laundry. We're back here again. Yesterday we followed a map. Today we're being totally experimental. Following the wall over here. We made dead ends. Our first dead end. I can hear the rock and roll drums and the bagpipes coming again. I believe this is the Parador. It was once a prison, now it's a 5-star hotel. Okay, then we'll do it this way. There we go. So right back that way, the Camino crosses a bridge. That's the way we're going to be going early tomorrow morning. That's why I walked down there this way. I wanted to get familiar with the way out because it's sometimes hard walking through a city and finding the arrows. So of course, as a pilgrim and as a fan of Emilio Estevez's film, I have to stand here and say the line, don't I? No self-respecting pilgrim would ever stay in such a place.
Once upon a time, you walked like a goddess across the Trevi fountain, splashing and asking me to join you. I did as I was told, and all the people, they snapped a million selfies with us in the background, frolicking like lovers. But we were not lovers at all. You said life is just a circle that we go around eternal, as I watched your eyes flood other ways. You said every complication is a point of stagnation, as we waited for the evening train. And I said, what must I feel to get me off this wheel? And you said, oh no, there's too much left for you to do, and you'll go round
I suppose we should talk about what happened a couple days ago, that meltdown I had before I went to bed. I don't know what the fuck's wrong with me. Or I said things like fuck the Camino, and I realize when a person says fuck the Camino, what they're really saying is fuck my response to it, fuck the feelings that I'm feeling, the garbage that's coming up. This is one of the toughest things I've ever done. And the thing about the Camino is, there's no way to relate it to people who haven't done it. As your mind starts to melt down, it affects your body, so it's all happening at once. How do you explain to her what it's like to be going through that emotional breakdown while you're in agony and you're exhausted? And then the next day you get up and you willfully, consciously do it again. How do you explain that to someone? The only person that really gets it is another pilgrim on the Camino. It was a very dark, painful, depressing moment. And I don't like those feelings. And I wanted to say, fuck the way I feel right now. I don't like being made to feel this way. So I chose to say fuck the Camino, which was an inaccurate direction, inaccurate focus of my aggression and anger. We're going to move forward, I hope. Having a nice rest day here in Leon. I am walking this Camino and it's hardening me. It's making me better. I got 2 really exciting weeks coming up to get to Santiago, and that's awesome.